Operating wet describes when a military aircraft is flown with the afterburners on. Woodward's fuel nozzles and afterburners are critical for the aircraft to operate wet. Several different types of engineers make this happen. The design engineer takes the customer's desires and requirements and creates a design with the team. The more complicated the requirements, the more team members that are typically involved. Once a design is completed on the computer, it is time to test this design. Advancements in technologies allow more and more testing to be done virtually. By testing virtually, it saves both development time and money. This computer program allows the engineer to create, modify, and assemble the parts in the virtual world. Additional programs will be used to perform testing. Once the design is tested virtually, prototypes will need to be built and physically tested. Often, the equipment and fixtures to run the test have to be designed and built. This is where the test engineer comes in. The test engineer will design and build the test fixture, instrument, and record the test. Running a test will typically require several computers and many sensors, so the team can analyze how the design behaves during the test. Test engineers have a multifaceted skill set including mechanical design, hands-on building, programming, and wiring. The manufacturing engineer will determine the best way to manufacture the design. The manufacturing engineer will take the design and break it down to its individual components and detail how it will go together. How will one component be machined and how will another component be picked up by the robot in order to be welded with another piece? The manufacturing engineer will develop the most efficient assembly process and may require design changes. This will require the manufacturing engineer and the design engineer to work together during the product development. The more complicated the product, the greater the number of engineers that will work together as a team. Manufacturing engineers also respond to questions and concerns raised by operators and help to troubleshoot and resolve issues during production. Are you interested in a career in engineering? Strong math and science skills are needed along with an intellectual curiosity about how things work. If this sounds like you, then you may have what it takes to be an engineer.